Good day to drive, especially in this 2019 Ford F-150 XLT with white exterior, gray interior, seating for 6 with 4 doors. It has a 3.3-liter V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Desirable features include Class 4 trailer tow hitch, tonneau cover, capability package, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle, would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. And now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 3.3-liter V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors, grab handle in the body. Your driver's seat is manual with manual lumbar. All weather mats on the floor, your electronic parking brake and light controls. Sliding into the vehicle. To start it, just put the keys in. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, and other functions, and we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. Above it, your auto start and stop, hazard light and traction control. Below, your volume and tuner and media controls. To the left, your trailer lock and 4x4 mode. Your climate control system with air conditioning, defrost, and more functions. USB charging ports and 12-volt outlet and storage underneath. You've got 2 cup holders, console with storage below, and that can be folded up to become a third seat on the first row with storage underneath it. A 12-volt outlet, your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, and light controls. 17-inch wheels, running boards, black door handles, keyless entry pad, privacy glass at the back windows, coupless easy fuel fill on the driver's side. In the rear, you've got a high mount light, and your backup camera would be above the Ford badging. Trailer tow hitch, pin connectors, and a tonneau cover. To open your tailgate, just grab the handle and pull it down. Here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, and when you're done, lift your door up and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience. The seating is for 3, and you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats up. To do so, just fold your seat up, and when you're done, pull the tab and fold your seat down. Anchors to tether baby seat, all with the mats on the floor, slim pocket behind the front seats, 12-volt outlet, 2 cup holders, hooks, and dome light. Backup camera in the rear, a tonneau cover, running boards, privacy glass at the back windows, black adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights and fog lights, tow hooks, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.